Jesus. A lot of morning energy.
If you're not at Florida, where the f you at? Hello and welcome to another vlog, another travel vlog. So we are in Puerto Rico, San Juan. We are staying at the Condado Palm Inn. I will give you my review at the end of our trip. So far it's like 3 out of 5 stars, but we'll see. But the view obviously is fantastic. We are right by the beach. We actually have a private entrance to the beach, which we are going to go use right now. We landed this morning. We went and got some food at this place called La Cueva Del Mar. Very good. Did I say lunch? I meant brunch. And now we're about to head to the beach. So welcome to the vlog. Come along with us. Baby, don't worry, I'm not gonna bother you. Kitty heaven. Exactly.
I got you, and you got it wrong.
Yeah.
How was I supposed to know?
I would like not even include everything, and I was like, whatever. It's not like they don't know. They're gonna Google it all.
Right. How are they gonna know?
They're not gonna know.
It's very empty. Yeah.
Very. We're walking down a deserted path next to a castle.
Cool.
But it's pretty cool, man.
Hey.
Best to give me that loyalty. Best to give me that loyalty. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Good morning. I'm in CVS right now. We are getting ready to go on an excursion, so we are getting snacks and then coffee. And so yeah, we're headed to El Yunque Rainforest and we're gonna hike. Also, I have updates on the hotel that I will tell you about later, but today should be a really fun day. What'd you get? Yeah, these are comes with a side of fruit. That's us. Hello. Good morning. Oh, hello. Welcome. Thank you. It's been so long.
River also is 25 deep, maybe more, okay? So
You can put it in the back of the van now, okay, it's cleared.
California?
Yeah.
I've never been.
Well, and Florida, but yeah.
Arms crossed, and wiggle wiggle. One, 2, 3, let's go. Yeah! What's up? Very good. Melt taino cheese.
Alright. One like under your eye.
Oh, I gotta go all the way down?
I don't think I did mine great. Hello, it is evening of day 2. We are getting ready to go out for the night. El Yunque was so much fun. Hiking the rainforest, 5 stars. Absolutely would tell anyone to go. It was about, the entire tour was about 6 hours, but the hiking portion of it I want to say was about 3 hours. So there's like an hour of driving, you do your hiking, waterfall, all of that. And then they take you to like a restaurant row area, and then you have lunch, and then there's an hour drive back. So all in, like, the total is about 6-7 hours, but 3 hours of hiking. And honestly, anyone can do it, and it's a must in San Juan. So now we are headed out to La Placita. We are going to dinner at Asere, and then we are going out in the area afterward. I don't know if we're going to a specific bar. Tomorrow we'll probably walk around Old San Juan, see the sights, look at the buildings. We saw it last night and it looked beautiful, so we definitely need to see it during the day. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to take my camera with me yet because that's a venture, but we will see if we do that, or a phone video. But anyways, we're going to head out now, so see y'all soon.
So what's the rush? The night is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups.
Stop moving! Okay, so it's on this
What's up, y'all? This is Editing Alicia here. So I did not realize that I had my camera in slow-mo, so there's a lot of footage of us going to brunch, talking, etc., and there's no sound. But just wanted to tell you about the location we were in. So we were in Old San Juan. To be honest, this was my favorite neighborhood the entire trip. It's so cute. It's so colorful. It's like their little downtown area. I love the buildings, the architecture. This coffee shop was so good. I'm such a sucker for like a really good latte or a chai tea. Theirs was bomb. The breakfast was delicious. I'm also a sucker for presentation, so I love like the way they put the whipped cream on the side of the cup. As you can see, I really enjoyed it. But yeah, we just got like a basic breakfast. As you can see, eggs, bagels, whatever. Then we went to do some shopping and went around and looked at some knickknacks. We wanted to get some souvenirs to take home. I got the elephant figurine. And then the pleasant surprise of the day was the art. So I love, as you'll see in one of the clips later on, I describe how I love colorful art. I just love like maximalist aesthetics, period. So we found a bunch of art and I could not stop looking, and I really wanted to take at least 10 pieces home. Like there were so many amazing pieces. Okay, this was the funniest experience. So these pigeons act like they haven't eaten all day, but they're clearly getting seed from the visitors. So I don't know why they're acting so crazy. But also this coffee shop, I loved, like the vibe was just so, if you are an avid reader and you love like a calm, warm, like cozy coffee shop, that would be the perfect place to go. And then these bowls, so cute. Wanted to buy every single one of them. So colorful. Y'all, I love colorful art, so this is like speaking to my very existence. I think it's so pretty. This is gorgeous. Okay, obviously we have to go upstairs. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, I'm back, but obviously I don't have much new to say. I found so many amazing pieces that I really wanted to take home. These especially. I think there's also something special about finding art from the diaspora. Oh, and these cats! Sorry not to get distracted. These cats were so cute. I just thought it was funny and entertaining. And then of course I had to take home some bracelets because duh. Oh my gosh. Pretty.
That one looks like where we're right now.
It's very good.
Woo!
Looks strong.
Eso se ven, esas cosas.
Not this Asian.
Too much food and high party. Yeah, ladies.
We are on a boat in Florida. We outside. We outside. It's summertime. If you're not in Florida, where the fuck you at? Where you at? These have like some type of like film. Yeah. Let me see. I don't have it there. Looks like it's not raining, and it literally looks like it's only raining. Look at each other. Hello, hello. Welcome back. It is our last night, Saturday night. We are going out. We are going to Club 58 in La Concha. Boat day was fun today. Unfortunately, it rained a lot, but it was still really cool. We sailed to... Do you remember what that island was called? Isla Verde? Isla something? We sailed to an island, and we docked at the island. We hung out, we ate food, we had burgers and veggie burgers and fruit and stuff, swam in the water, sat on a raft. It was good. It would have been better in sun, but it was still nice. So now we are going to Club 58, which is supposed to be fun. Some DJ called Frostbite or Frostburn is DJing, apparently reggaeton. So yeah, and then tomorrow we are probably gonna go back to Old San Juan and visit the castle, and do a little tour there, and then we'll see what we have time for before our flight. Yeah, that's it. So see you guys in a bit. So I'm realizing I have not shown you guys any of my outfits. So here's the final outfit. Got this dress from Italy. You have seen it in another vlog. Where are my shoes from? Oh, my shoes are from Amazon, and they're super comfy. Second time's the charm. This is Isabel. You guys remember her from the Miami vlog. Fit check time. It's Green Vibes night. Tell us about your fit.
This two-piece is from Amazon, and these shoes I got years ago in Argentina.
Which we love. Yes, so
yes.
cute. Okay, we're going. Bye. Sorry, but we win.
Maybe not.
Exactly. Good morning. Good morning. It is the final day. Well, final day for me. Second to final day for her. We are having breakfast at the Choco Latte Cafe. Choco Cafe. She is going to the beach. A few of us are going to Old San Juan to do a castle tour. And then I have a flight. And then they're going to spend their last day here. And yeah. So, what would you rate this trip?
10 out of 10. Best trip of my life. I love it.
Wow, that is a high rating. We love it. Yeah, it's been a good time. Good girls trip. Successful. We made it out of the group chat, and the group chat is going to make it out of the trip. Gorgeous view.
$6.